Hello.
Welcome home, Jack.
You son of a bitch.
Oh, I'm the son of a bitch. Well, isn't that interesting? You're the one who abandoned me, Jack, and because you abandoned me, you're gonna have to pay the ultimate price. You're next, Jack.
What?
I just thought you should hear it from me tonight, because I'm gonna miss hearing it from you. Good night, America, wherever you are.
That's it, Lieutenant. We're done here.
Anything?
I might have lifted a couple of prints, nothing much.
Okay, thanks. Boxers?
You guys got good manners. Crawling all over this place, not one of them mentioned the dust bunnies. You know, if I knew I was gonna get a visitor, I would have cleaned up a little bit.
I think an apology is in order, Jack. I'm sorry.
No. No apologies.
I hung you out to dry, Jack. We should have listened.
You're just doing your job. No one has to apologize for doing their job.
We still have to talk about this.
All right. I'll meet you at the Java Hut after I'm done cleaning up.
I could take days, weeks, months.
You're kidding? You hardly touch a thing.
Lieutenant Zymak,
Inspector? So?
another drive-by, 2 dead.
Your regular Sherlock Holmes locker. What else you got for me, locker?
Whole bunch of 9mm shell casings.
That's it?
So far.
Witnesses?
No.
Suspects? Clues? Nobody saw anything?
Nothing.
So tell me, Lieutenant, if you lived in this neighborhood, would you have seen anything?
You have to stop meeting this way, Bridges. Inspector, why don't you inform some of these good citizens that we can't clean up their neighborhood unless they let us know where the trash is?
Yes, sir.
So how many is this now, Lieutenant? 3 in the last 4 weeks?
I lost interest in body counts after Vietnam, Bridges.
Yeah, well, maybe you have, but the public hasn't.
They have a right to know. Isn't that right, Bridges? Here's what you can tell them. 2 dead. Black males, teenagers, Bridges. Names withheld pending notification of next of kin. And their homeroom teachers.
Suspects?
Not at this time.
M.O.?
Drive-by semi-automatic weapon, just like they do it in L.A.
So it's gang-related?
No, not this time, Bridges. Police instinct tells me this one is definitely over the Gaza Strip.
Hey, what's your problem, man?
You want to know what my problem is? I'll tell you what my problem is. It's the 3rd one I've seen in the last month, and I still can't answer the one question I keep asking. How'd they get so mean so young?